So what causes inflation? There are two broad theories relating to the factors leading to inflation. One is called the demand pull, and the other is called the cost push. The demand pull inflation refers to a phenomenon in which the aggregate demand exceeds aggregate supply, and as a consequence, the general price level increases. The name is therefore the question is, what do we mean by aggregate demand? Aggregate supply is more easy to define. Aggregate demand essentially means the total demand for output for goods and services. Is it in real terms or is it in monetary terms? Generally speaking, we think as if it is in real terms. In fact, Keynes underlined the fact that inflation will happen only after the full employment level is reached. Because according to him, once the full employment level is reached, the output cannot increase. Therefore, if at that particular point, the aggregate demand increases, the consequence is inflation. In fact, for a long time, it was believed that inflation happens only after reaching the full employment level. That turned out to be incorrect in the 1970s and 80s. In fact, inflation existed with unemployment or even rising unemployment. In any case, I will come back to the point, but generally speaking, the demand pull inflation happens when aggregate demand exceeds aggregate supply, and therefore when demand rises above supply, inflation happens.